improvised explosive device detected and defused by CRPF on the national highway near Narbal. 3 kilograms of IED was planted on the road divider to target security force convoys. During patrolling, CRPF detected the IED, after which, with the help of the army, a bomb disposal squad defused the IED. Let me go across to Amir Farid joining me on the phone line. Farid, it does sound like as if a major terror attack was averted there.
Yes, without a doubt. If CRPF is to be believed, today at around 7:30 a.m., their road opening party noticed this IED which was planted on a road divider on the very busy Srinagar-Baramulla road near Narbal. Now, immediately the bomb disposal squad of the army was called in, and in no time the IED was taken away from that particular area and defused. Now, this was a 3 kg IED that was planted, and if it would have went off, could have caused major damage, and that's why definitely a major terror bid averted. Now, we know this particular highway sees a lot of security force movement, convoy movement through the day, and that is why it seems that the IED was planted there to target some security force convoy. However, it was in fact detected and defused in time at around 7:30 a.m. this morning. This incident happened, and right now also there is this sanitization that is being done with road opening parties, trying to ensure to see if at all there is any more explosives that could have been planted, and they're also taken care of. So definitely a tragedy averted in the sense that this IED was timely, in a timely manner detected and diffused before it really could have went off.
Early morning around 3:30 बजे हमें कुछ सूचना मिली कि IED का प्लान होने का संभावना है इस इलाके में। तब से लेके हमने इस इलाके में अपना पेट्रोलिंग शुरू किया। सुबह करीब 5:30 बजे भी हमने इस एरिया से पूरा निकला, तब भी हमें आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हो पाया रात के अंधेरा के चलते। लेकिन करीब 6:55 के आसपास ये IED RR के हाथ लगा है। अपनी CRPF के पार्टी शाल्टन से लेके इस तरफ बढ़ गया था, RR की पार्टी नरवल से लेके लवापुरा की तरफ बढ़ा हुआ था। दोनों कोऑर्डिनेटेड आपस में इंटर शेयर किए थे। सुबह कर्नल अशोक साहब से मेरा बात हुआ था। मुझे ये इंटेलिजेंस सारे जितने भी सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज हैं सभी को शेयर किया अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ही, सुबह 4:30 बजे से लेके हम लोग तब से इसी काम के लिए लगा हुआ था। सेक्टर ऑफिस जो हमारे IG के ऑफिस है, वहां से भी हमें यही इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें मिल गया था सुबह करीब 3:30 बजे से लेके, उसी पर था और हमें आज ये हासिल हुआ।